Hello, my name is Shirley. I'm the General Manager at Linton Hill Clinic. Linton Hill Clinic is a rehabilitation clinic, and we have post-operative patients here. During the time that they stay with us, they will bring some of their own devices that they can maybe watch Amazon Video or Netflix. One of the things that they like to do is video call their families. We have an IT partner, MFG, and during an earlier account management meeting, they suggested that we have an internet upgrade.
Hello, my name is Morris. I'm the maintenance man at Linton Hill. Phase 1, we had the lease line put in, which was a dedicated line for us and for only us to use. It was installed back in 2019. The second stage for us to do was to have the entire building rewired for the upgrade of the actual Wi-Fi system to allow the connectivity of the patients to their devices, as well as the network in the building itself. Prior to phase 2 being completed, the job was put out to tender to several different Wi-Fi installation companies. Thankfully, MFG came back with the most cost-effective and efficient system which was suitable for our needs. To start with, we had a site survey which was done to enable us to understand how best to install the new Wi-Fi system. They addressed all the issues in the sense of network connectivity in the rooms, network connectivity for the staff, and accessing patient notes and things like that, as well as security side of things for the GDPR. The installation part in phase 2 took approximately 2 weeks. There was a little bit of drilling, but it was all organised prior to this with the clinic themselves and consulting with MFG and their installation partners, and we managed to liaise with all the patients to ensure that nobody was disturbed too much during the installation process. We now have an excellent Wi-Fi installation and the network runs superbly. We don't have any black spots anymore, and our patients have been over the moon that they can now stream videos, FaceTime their families, and connect to the internet without any issues.